Did you know you're just one click away from landing your next most sought after, highest paid remote job? The success you're after starts with the goals you set. Be very specific when you pray and ask God for guidance in your career or government contracting journey. I mean, everyone has their own vision of success, and it looks different for each of us. But remember, your brand is your reputation, and you are in charge of your own gifts, talents, and dreams. Your destiny is in your hands. You have to be the driver, not the backseat rider, to make it work in your favor. And if you want to know more, check out my latest video, Work from Home Jobs, No Degree Needed in 2025. 11 highest paying government contract positions. Now, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more great content from an experienced CEO who's been in the trenches for over 31 years. When there's a wave coming, don't hesitate. Jump on that surfboard and ride it because it's worth the wait. When the economy slows down, that's when you stay ready. That's when thriving businesses and the most sought after remote healthcare jobs begin to expand. Get ready for what's next. If the opportunity isn't here with my company, well, at Diamond Hunter Enterprises, we specialize in federal government contracting, overseeing high-impact projects that require top-tier professionals in healthcare. I'm on my rooftop, guys, in technology and cybersecurity. The critical roles of CIOs and ISOs in government and private sectors, chief information officers, and information security officers are vital. They're leaders in government and private sector organizations, like mine. However, there are roles that differ based on the agency they serve. CIOs for the Department of Defense, DoD, these professionals oversee large-scale IT operations, ensuring military networks remain operational, secure, and aligned with security protocols. Their primary focus is enterprise-wide technology strategy, modernization, and innovation while managing classified and unclassified networks. ISOs for the Department of Veterans Affairs, the VA, these experts protect sensitive patient records, and PHI, protected health information within the VA healthcare system. Their job is to ensure HIPAA compliance, electronic health record, which is EHR security and cybersecurity, defense against data breaches that could compromise veterans' medical histories and benefits. I'm sorry, guys. Again, I apologize. I'm on my rooftop. Veterans Health Administration, VHA versus Department of Defense, CIO and ISO. The roles of CIOs and ISOs at the Veterans Health Administration, VHA, and the Department of Defense are fundamentally the same in many ways, yet there are crucial distinctions in their responsibilities, such as the VHA CIO and the ISO. These professionals oversee secure storage and management of healthcare information within the Veterans Health Information Systems and Technology. VISTA, okay? Each VHA facility operates its own integrated system for computerized patient records and links to the primary EHR system where all patient data is stored. It is documented. It is crucial that this information is both accurate and secure across all facilities, all visits, given the sensitive nature of veterans' medical histories. Are you staying with me? Okay. How our team plays a key role at Diamond Hunter Enterprises. Our CIOs and ISOs and healthcare project managers, including cybersecurity analysts, work close in partnership to ensure that all data remains protected and compliant with HIPAA and PHI regulations. We rely on healthcare-specific software modules like Event Capture and Appointment Manager to ensure KPIs, key performance indicators, are met and all performance data is fully secured to avoid breaches. If the opportunity isn't here with my company, well, it all starts with your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is the platform where recruiters and hiring managers are actively searching for top talent like CIOs, ISOs, and healthcare project managers. But here's the things your profile needs to stand out. So to catch the attention of recruiters, your LinkedIn profile should clearly showcase your skills, your experience, and professional accomplishments. Make sure you highlight key certifications like HIPAA compliance, cybersecurity certifications, and project management experience. Your profile should demonstrate that you are the expert they need. Optimize the headline to make immediate impact, and always update your job history and skills to reflect the value you bring. With the right keywords and a polished professional profile, you are just one click away from your dream job. Stand out, get noticed, and let LinkedIn connect you with your next career opportunity. Okay, I'm going to share a story of Ron. One of the most inspiring stories in this industry is that of Ron, a former Department of Veterans Affairs employee. Ron started his career as a janitor, but worked his way up to the top position of Chief Information Security Officer for Vision 22 right here in Southern California. His dedication, expertise, and commitment to leading cybersecurity initiatives transformed his career, proving that with hard work and determination, anyone can rise to the highest levels of IT security, highest paid of IT security leadership. Let's break down the six-figure salaries a Chief Information Officer CIO with 3+ years of experience starts at $135,000, with increases for those with VA, DoD, Army, Navy, or Air Force experience. A Chief Information Security Officer, ISO, starts at $145,000, with higher pay for those specializing in VA security protocols, DoD compliance, and VHA cybersecurity across multiple VISNs. A Cybersecurity Analyst with 5+ years of experience starts at $89,000, increasing with expertise in HIPAA, PHI security, and VA compliance, and also DoD cybersecurity regulations. To find out the healthcare project manager salary, click the video above. Work from home jobs, no degree needed in 2025. For those impacted by the federal workforce cuts, we offer high-paying remote federal contracting jobs in all of the above opportunities. If you have an OPM profile, CAC authentication, a VPN login, or federal IT security clearance, transitioning is seamless. Our contracts with the VA, DoD, and top university hospitals ensure competitive salaries, career growth, and federal compliance expertise. Whether you are looking for a full-time, part-time career, or a high-paying side hustle, apply today. The CIO and the ISS role at Diamond Hunter Enterprises is amazing. Now, Jules, repeat after me. I receive the blessings, the opportunities, and the favor God has for me, for you. At Diamond Hunter Enterprises, our CIOs and ISOs play an essential role in every contract we win as a federal government contractor. They onboard new employees for federal contracts, manage remote teams while ensuring KPIs, key performance indicators, are met. Collaborate with healthcare project and program managers to oversee compliance. Security breaches, we never have those. Handle cybersecurity defense strategies against potential threats. Secure and protect sensitive information across all federal, state, and healthcare entities. The sun is in my eyes, guys, sorry. The importance of cybersecurity in healthcare and government contracts. So you see, cybersecurity breaches are a growing threat across international, especially in healthcare and government contracting, and with number 47, you guys president. At Diamond Hunter Enterprises, our cybersecurity teams work to protect electronic healthcare records, EHRs, from cyber attacks, secure federal government software and platforms, maintain compliance with HIPAA and PHI regulations, ensure data integrity and confidentiality across all systems, understanding the OPM security requirements for remote roles, securing high paying remote roles in healthcare and cybersecurity within government agencies requires a clearance through the Office of Personnel Management, which is the acronym is called OPM, and every remote professional working under our contracts, any incumbent, must, 1, obtain CAC, which is Common Access Card credentials for government systems, 2, work on 2 secure computer systems to safeguard federal data, and 3, follow strict access protocols to ensure data protection and system integrity. Industries and organizations hiring for these remote roles and opportunities exist across the world. Top university hospitals, UCLA, UC Davis, UCSF, major pharmaceutical and healthcare corporations like mine, Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, Merck & Company, and becoming an asset, not a liability. At Diamond Hunter Enterprises, we only hire top performing professionals who, number 1, deliver measurable results, 2, follow cybersecurity best practices, 3, align with business and contract objectives. If you don't meet expectations, you will receive only 1 warning, and if necessary, you're gone. We value integrity, security, and high performance in every role we fill. Listen, I don't play around. I love y'all, but stay ready so you don't have to get ready for the next opportunity that awaits you. My project managers, they give second and third chances. Your success is in your hands. Stay prepared, informed, and ahead of the curve. Remember, use LinkedIn, ChatGPT, and Google to secure your next high-paying opportunity. Amongst other social media platforms, your skills, discipline, and security mindset will set you apart in this competitive industry. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, comment down below, and share your thoughts and interests. I want to know. Thank me later. Let's go to work, Jules. I'll see you in the next video coming up next.